Unit 7, Atoms and Molecules. Exercise question. Sixth question. Find the percentage of nitrogen in ammonia. Here the ammonia formula is not given. So the formula for ammonia, molecular formula for ammonia NH3. So molecular formula NH3. Here nitrogen, hydrogen, nitrogen 1 nitrogen, 3 hydrogen is given. First you find the molecular mass or molar mass. Molar mass is nothing but nitrogen 1 nitrogen into the mass number of nitrogen 14, hydrogen 3 hydrogen, each hydrogen mass 1, so 14 into 1, 14, 3, totally 17. So total molecular mass of ammonia 17. Now the percentage of nitrogen in ammonia. Percentage of nitrogen in ammonia want to find, so is equal to nitrogen 14 divided by total mass 17 into percentage means 100. So want to find nitrogen, so nitrogen mass 14, so 14 divided by total mass 17. So if you want to find hydrogen means hydrogen equal to 3 divided by 17. So here nitrogen want to find, the percentage of nitrogen want to find. So nitrogen value 14 divided by total value 17 into 100. 100 means percentage value. So 14 divided by 17 is nothing but 0.8235. 0.8235 into 100. So is equal to into 100 82.35 percentage. This is the nitrogen percentage in ammonia, 82.35. Third question. Calculate the number of moles. Is given, two questions given. 27 gram of aluminium. Another one, 1.51 into 1023 molecules of ammonium chloride. So now want to find the number of moles. Here formula number of mole is equal to mass by atomic mass. Here mass, total mass is given in our question 27. Atomic mass of aluminium. So this aluminium atomic not given, but I have to remember aluminium value 27 mass number. So you substitute 27. So it will become 1. So how many moles? 1 mole. So mass, atomic mass of aluminium 27. Here 27 gram is given. So you can easily cancel one time. So 1 mole. Second question, 1.5 unit 1023 molecules of ammonium chloride. See here 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. It's nothing but Avogadro number. So this number of molecules is equal to 1 mole. So here how many moles in this value? So want to find the how many moles in this value. So how to calculate? So ammonium chloride is equal to 1 divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 into its given value 1.57 into 10 to the power 23. So the value, given value divided by number of molecules or Avogadro number. If you divide, you will get number of moles in that given molecules. So here 10 to the power 23, 10 to the power 23 cancel. 1.57 divided by 6.023, you will get nearly 1.5 divided by 6. Like that you take, you will get 0.25 mole. So simplify the value 1.57. 1.57 divided by 6.023. Better you take 6. So 1.57 divided by 6 will get 0.25 mole. This is another one. Book back problems. That's the exercise. How many grams there are in following? Here given 4 questions given. 2 moles of hydrogen molecule H2 and 3 moles of chlorine molecule chlorine 2 Cl2. 5 moles of sulfur molecule S8 sulfur 8. 4 molecules of phosphorus molecule P4. So want to find how many grams are there in the following. How many grams? 2 mole of hydrogen means how many gram? Here gram is given 1 mole to find. So here 1 mole means how many gram is given. So reverse you have to calculate. So first question you take 2 moles of hydrogen. So first you want to find first question 2 moles mass of 2 moles of hydrogen. Hydrogen nothing but how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen into 2 hydrogen. How many moles? 2 moles. 2 moles. So finally you take like this. First you take 2 mole. 2 into hydrogen value 1. Atomic number. So how many hydrogen is there? Into 2 hydrogen. So totally 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4. So totally 4 gram of hydrogen present in 2 mole. Second question. Mass of 3 moles of chlorine atom Cl2. Here 3 moles. First you take 3 moles into chlorine. How many chlorines here? How many chlorines? 2 chlorines. So 2 chlorine into chlorine value. See chlorine value 35.5. Mass number 35.5. So what is the answer? 3 into 2 into 35.5 71. So 3 into 71 will get 213 gram. So 213 gram in 3 moles of chlorine. Third question. Mass of 5 moles of sulfur 8. Sulfur 8. So here first how many moles you take? 5 moles. See 8 into here how many sulfur? 8 into so mass of the sulfur. Mass of the sulfur, how to call mass of the sulfur is not given. So here, so mass of the sulfur 32. Mass of the sulfur 32. So now 5 into 8 into 32. 8 means 8 sulfur. Sulfur mass 32. So 8 into 32. 256. So 256 into 5,280 gram. So 1,280 gram in 5 mole of sulfur. Fourth question. Mass of 4 moles of phosphorus. Here how many moles? 4 mole into how many phosphorus? 4 phosphorus into each phosphorus, mass of the phosphorus want to find. So here the mass of the phosphorus is 31. See, mass of the phosphorus 31. 4 phosphorus 4 mole. This 4 mole this 4 number of phosphorus. The mass of the phosphorus is 31. So now you multiply 4 into 31, you'll get 124. So 124 into 4, 496 gram. 496 gram in 4 mole of phosphorus.